In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you this new 3D crypto NFT game that might be better than Axie Infinity in a lot of ways. And this is called Dragon Mainland. Chances are you've already heard of this because of the insane graphics and the visuals that you can find inside this game, this project. And that is why I will be creating a video about it. And if you haven't subscribed into my channel, please do subscribe right now. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates from you guys. So let's just jump right into it. So you can battle for our own homeland, immersive 3D crypto NFT game. So this is the game trailer I will be playing to you.
Dragon Mainland will establish a community-driven NFTs plus DeFi plus games ecosystem, combining DeFi and games through NFTs to form the GameFi system, which makes it easy to gain revenue while playing games. Dragon Mainland has a rich NFT ecosystem, including dragons, bones, lands, and buildings, which are stored on the blockchain and can't be modified, copied, or destroyed by any third party. Dragons are the core NFT assets of Dragon Mainland, and players can make their dragons powerful through training. The battle power value of a dragon depends on attributes, skills, and genes, and it also has the arithmetic attribute which will affect the player's earnings from pledge mining. The best dragons in the world can be seen in the battle power ranking. The Mystery Boxes gameplay of Dragon Mainland releases a certain amount of dragon treasure chests every day, which can be opened to obtain dragon bones with random quality attributes. Dragon bones can strengthen the dragon's attributes, and the used dragon bones will be permanently destroyed. Dragon bones are divided into 3 qualities: elementary, intermediate, and advanced, as well as 5 different attributes. 5 dragon bones of the same attribute and quality have a certain chance to synthesize a higher level dragon bone. The economic model of Dragon Mainland are based on 2 tokens, DMS and DMP. DMS, Dragon Mainland Shards, is the ecological master token of Dragon Mainland, which is obtained by providing liquidity mining, pledging mining of the revenue aggregator, and playing games. It can be used to purchase the NFTs such as dragons, dragon bones, and open the treasure box, as well as participate in DMS pledge mining, liquidity mining, platform governance, etc. The platform will also purchase the DMS circulating in the marketplace by marketplace fees occasionally. DMP, Dragon Miracle Potion, is a prop token for the Dragon Mainland, which can be obtained through in-game copies or quests. Dragon breeding, dragon bones, and dragon devouring all require DMP consumption. Dragon Mainland introduces DeFi, and through the revenue aggregator, players can use the digital assets they own to mine for revenue. At the same time, each player-owned dragon can also be pledged to gain additional DMS income.
So that is Dragon Mainland. As you can see in the trailer, they've made a trailer worth 3 minutes long, and I don't even need to create a video right now, like even explain it to you guys, because every single stuff that is needed to be discussed are already into the trailer, simplified and make it easier for you to understand. Okay, so again, it is a PvP PvE combat with uses of GameFi, which you will be able to earn money from playing, and also from those NFTs that you have, you can be able to get a revenue on those by mining. Okay, so let's now talk about the visuals. Okay, the scenes into this Dragon Mainland. As you can see here, this is the battle scenes. I think it is unfortunate that we can't zoom this one out. Maybe we can open it into the new tab, but it doesn't really open the full picture. But this is the battle scenes. So this is the breeding system. This is the 3D characteristics. This is the AR visuals, and this is the map and Woj light. Okay, so for you to be able to play, how to play, you need to have a Genesis Dragon eggs, which is the rarest of them all. So this may be exchanged for Genesis Dragon NFTs, which are very rare and potentially extremely valuable. They can be collected, sold, and even auctioned in the NFT marketplace. So this Genesis Dragon eggs, I would say it is equivalent to Mystic in Axie Infinity, because this is very limited, this is extremely valuable, and this is just available for those people who are joining into this project early. Now for the characteristics, these are different body types that are building the dragon, which includes the eyes, which includes this. I'm not sure if this is like the horn or anything. This is like yeah, you can customize this. This is like the wings. You want to have a better wings. It's really awesome, guys. So this is like the I'm not sure of this body part, and this is the other body part. This is like the tails, I assume. So you can also randomize this, and it's really awesome, guys, that there are a lot of combinations that you can expect inside the Dragon Mainland ecosystem as well. Now for the blind box, this is the blind box, okay? So you'll be able to get a dragon bone. So like what is being explained into the trailer, then this dragon bone has a random attributes wherein you can be able to use it to power up your dragons as well. Now this is like the skull synthesis, so you need at least, I think, 5 dragon bones to have this really big skull over here. Now dragons are now available via NFT marketplace, so you can buy and sell dragons, skulls, land, buildings, and more with great potential for profit. So as an added bonus, to keep the community fully engaged, a large portion of the marketplace transactions fees will be distributed back to the staking participants. So these are the different dragons that you can expect in the Dragon Mainland. So it consists of 5 elements, I assume, because there's only a fire dragon, thunder dragon, rock dragon, storm dragon, and water dragon. So this is everything that you are seeing right now. Now for the mainland, okay, this is where you'll be able to find how many dragons that you have, like the mining camp for the dragons, and you'll be able to also go directly into the marketplace directly here. So I assume marketplace are not available because it says coming soon. Our developers are working hard on new features, so please stay tuned. Okay, so let's now go back again into the play to earn fast. Okay, so there is a DMS and there is a DMP. So let's explain it again for you guys for the benefit of the doubt. So DMS is the ecosystem and governance token of the Dragon Mainland. The total supply is 1 billion and no additional DMS will be issued. So this is like how it's being divided. So 45% goes to mining rewards, 50% goes to the foundation reserve, 15% goes to 4% goes to the team, 15% goes to the advisor, and 25% goes into the sale. So this is like the explanation why they set the mining rewards to 45%, foundation to 15, team to 21%, and even advisor and sale. Now, for you to be able to obtain DMS, okay, you can get it via IDO, DEX, or even an exchange. So make sure that if they open this kind of offers into their Telegram group or into the Discord, make sure to check this one out, because this is like the cheapest DMS possible that you can get while it is still not like the game is not yet starting. Okay, now for the staking income, you will be able to obtain DMS, of course, because you will stake some DMS for you to be able to earn more DMS as well. Now, you will be able to get DMS via liquidity mining income. So via providing liquidity to the revenue aggregator, you'll be able to get DMS as well. Now, the fourth part is you'll be able to get it via in-game revenue via joining the PvP battles and winning it, joining the official events, and even topping the ladder competitions as well. Now you can also obtain DMS via community rewards, activity rewards, and even contribution rewards. So this is the different use cases in DMS token, which is very important to understand, so that you will see that this is not some sort of like a shit coin, some sort of stuff. It is not actually working on this part, because I mean it is being used for payments, governance, staking, liquidity mining, and even game consumption. Also, DMS are being used for dragon breeding. So for you to be able to breed 2 dragons, you need to have this DMS required. And of course, it has 7 breeding occurrence, which is same with Axie. But of course, as you can see here, the more DMP and DMS required for you to be able to breed here. Okay, and you can see that this is like the multipliers in terms of days between breeding, up to 15 days if you are having up to breeding 7 occurrence. Okay, now let's now go forward into the DMP. So this is another token inside Dragon Mainland ecosystem. So let me just scroll forward at the top, and this is DMP, which stands for Dragon Mainland Potion. Okay, I'm Dragon Miracle Potion rather. So it is a functional utility token issued and used in Dragon Mainland. So it can be earned via daily quests, passing levels, and even through pledge mining. So DMP is more like SLP in terms of Axie. DMS is more like an AXS. Okay, so if you're looking forward into holding more tokens, you want to have a good amount of returns into the future, I would recommend DMS if you do not want to join the game as well. But I mean, you can be able to join the game and also take advantage of like the head start. Okay, this is very important for those people who are looking into the hidden gems of play to earn games. Now this is used for dragon breeding, so this is like the multipliers. This is also used for attribute upgrades, which is the Dragon Skull absorption. So you will be able to use this to also enhance your dragons, which of course will be able to give you more power, and of course in return will be able to bring you more revenue into the platform as well. Now you'll be able to use it also into the skill upgrades and also the talent upgrades. Okay, so this is everything that we need to know about these what do you call that, about these DMP, DMS, which is the tokens of Dragon Mainland. So for the facts, okay, if you have any questions, you have any sort of mind that you need to know about Dragon Mainland, or you are pretty much a beginner and you want to learn more about it, and you want to see every single information that you need to know, you can just go directly into the Gitbook article, and I'm also going to put it into the description box below, so that you'll be able to see everything that you need to see. So this is the community, so you can join the Telegram group. They do have 80,000 members. Okay, let me just open the Telegram group, and you'll be able to ask any questions that you have into your mind here. And if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions as well, you can just directly go into this Telegram group, and you can expect some admins and some community managers that will be replying to you as well. So this is everything that you need to know about Dragon Mainland. Do not forget again to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, guys. Help me reach 30,000 subscribers. It will really help me a lot as well into my career as a YouTube influencer. And see you on the next video.